K-U-N-D, Sneed.
5150 KUNT Radio presents Translation, the show that tells you what Tyree Sneed is really saying. And now, here's your host, Rich Baritone. Thank you so much. I am Rich Baritone, and welcome to Translation here on 5150 KUNT Radio. We are the show that tells you what Tyree Sneed is really saying, and to do that, we take something that Tyree Sneed said, we put it into Google Translate it into another language, then back to English, and then we take the first translation, translate it into a completely different language, and then translate that back into English, and then finally we take that second translation, put it one more time into Google translate it into a third language, and then we are done. A waste of time, but we enjoy it here on Translation. And now it's time to introduce our first lovely, vivacious language here on Translation. Would you please welcome Yoruba to the show? Yoruba. All right, Yoruba, if you will join me over at Google Translate, it is time for our phrase of the day, right here on 5150 KUNT. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And now, with no further delay, here is our phrase of the day.
I mean, you're the one missing out on good dick. There's no way to get around that. Y'all can send whoever to type in the comment section, but you're still hating because you're miserable.
What an asshole, huh, ladies and gentlemen? So, in it goes into Google Translate. It's been translated into Yoruba and back again. Just like that. So after our first translation here on Translation, this is what I got for ya. I mean, you have one missing a good dick. There is no way to get close to that. It all can send to anyone who clicks in the comment section, but you also hate it because it is unfortunate. No doubt about it, I gotta get another job. Thank you so much, Yoruba. Now will you please welcome our second language this evening. Say hello to Telegu, everybody. Telegu joins us here on Translation. Telegu, if you will come over with me, it's time to put the first translation back into Google Translate. There it goes. Oh, the suspense is killing me, and whoop, there it is. So after two translations here on Translation, this is, of course, what I got for ya. I mean, you don't have a good dick. There's no way to get close to it. All of these can be sent to anyone who clicks in the comment section, but it's unfortunate because you hate it too. I believe we're getting closer to the truth right here on 5150 KUNT. Thank you so much, Telegu. And now it's time for our final language. Would you please welcome Latin to the show? Latin always fucks things up really good. So let's put the second translation into Google Translate. It's on its way. We are almost done. And the job is finished right here on Translation on 5150 KUNT. So for one last time, let's hear our phrase of the day right here on Translation.
I mean, you're the one missing out on good dick. There's no way to get around that. Y'all can send whoever to type in the comment section, but you're still hating because you're miserable.
After 31 years, he's still lost in the forest that is his mind. And after 3 translations here on Translation, this is how the story ends. I certainly hope you folks are ready for this because I'm not certain that I am. But I say unto you, it is not a good dick. That's not nearly as we get it. All those who are able to clicks in the comment section, but it was also hated by the poor. That's all we have for you tonight on Translation. I am Rich Baritone, and we will see you next time. This has been Translation on 5150 KUNC Radio. Stay tuned for Tyree Sneed Doesn't Love Me Anymore with Ryan Gosling on 5150 KUNC Radio, Sneedville, Purgatory.
KUNC.